This video is gonna be on some new products that were sent to me. This is an old wash and go that I've been rocking and picking out and just making big as ever. And I am finally here to do another style. I actually have no idea what I'm gonna do yet, but I do want to introduce the products to you first while I'm thinking about it, okay? I'm gonna be using some Smooth and Shine products, and you guys are probably like, what, Smooth and Shine? Natural hair products? Y'all, they got some natural hair products, and we're about to dig in to see how they work. I basically told them that I wanted the curly line. I think they have a curly line and a straight line. I'll have them linked in the description bar below if you want to just go ahead and check out everything they have available right now. But this is the little like pamphlet thing that they gave me. I like it. I like the packaging. It's cute. So what they sent me was the styling custard. They also sent me a conditioner. This is a moisturizing conditioner. And just so you guys know, all of these have camellia oil and shea butter. And I hope I'm saying that correctly. And I also got a curl defining cream, which looks like this. It really looks like some kind of like pudding or something. I don't know. These products are supposed to be meant for curly hair. They do have a few good things in here. It does have fragrance and stuff in here as well. So if you want to check out the ingredients and everything, like I said, I'll link them below so you can check it out. I may do a twist out or a braid out, but I'm thinking maybe the curling custard along with the conditioner. So I'm gonna be trying these two products out today. I'm gonna be actually doing this hairstyle on old hair, just because. We're gonna test out how well it's going to actually moisturize my hair too, because my hair is dry. If you guys can't tell, like, I'm having some trouble getting this stuff separated. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet the hair. We're gonna be spraying this on my hair just to get it all damp. So I'm gonna be putting the conditioner on first. Just gonna go ahead and squeeze a few pumps. I like the fact that it gives me a lot of product. You know what I'm saying? 2 pumps is a lot. This is very watery though. Not very thick. Smells like a lotion. So go ahead and just add that to my hair. Okay guys, so I have completed the rest of my hair. I still have this left to go, but as you can see, I did a nice like little curved type part. I think it's gonna come out really cute. But these are my 3-strand twists. I've been starting off with braids and then going straight into the 3-strand twist. Now, the way that I do my 3-strand twists are so like it's just, I don't know. I honestly have no idea how I do it. And so it's hard for me to explain to you guys. So I will list a few videos below on how to do it. But just spraying some water to loosen up these curls. If you guys don't take anything else from any of my videos, take this. Never detangle your hair while it's dry. Just don't do it, honey. Just don't do it. Okay, you will be a lot happier if you just wet it a little bit. Even if you don't want to make your curls revert all the way back or whatever you're trying to do, just wet the dang hair, okay? Going in with the conditioner. This is what I've been doing to every other twist. So I think I'm gonna put 2 pumps of this. The consistency of this product is very slippery. So the slip on that leave-in is nice. All right, so here we go, the section we're working with. Then I'm gonna go ahead and spray some more water. Just because I like my stuff to be nice and moist. And I'm just gonna go ahead and detangle with my wide tooth comb. It should be super easy to detangle at this point because your hair is moisturized and it's wet. Then I'm gonna go in with the styling custard, which looks like this. And I've been putting about that much per section because I like this stuff. I actually like this stuff. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Just gonna take 3 parts, split it up into 3. All right, and then I like to start off by going ahead and braiding first, plaiting first, whatever you want to call it. Just start with a plait. And I like to make this as tight as I can because it needs to be tight. We need those roots nice and sleek. And coil, and we done. We did it done. Okay, so I have completely slept in these twists. So these are my twists, and I'm about to take them out. Yep, they look good.